All right, lunch, simple one. Probably not the most healthy by any stretch. In fact, probably pretty unhealthy. Fried bologna sandwiches. Sandwich. I got a piece of, I bought some little ciabatta buns the other day, and I got one in the toaster. They're pretty good. I also like this on white bread. But all it's going to be is fried bologna, tomato, mayo, and a piece of cheese. Here in the South where I live, fried bologna, you could get, some of the fast food places actually have bologna biscuits. It's pretty standard fare around here where I live. All the little gas stations that sell biscuits and stuff like that, they all have bologna sandwiches for breakfast, and I like it a lot. And I don't think other parts of the United States has it. It's not that popular, but I like it. I like bologna. But like I said, I don't think it's the most the most healthy thing in the world. But it certainly tastes good. So all I'm going to do is just throw bologna in the pan. And basically heat it up. Anyway, all I'm doing is I'll throw a couple in and then throw them off to the side. And like I said, this probably isn't the most healthy thing, but man, it sure does taste good if you've never had one. And there goes my toast. See, they're pretty nice. I didn't put no oil, butter, nothing, because bologna is pretty greasy. So you really don't need nothing in the pan, and then just cook enough for your sandwich. And I'm making pretty heavy duty sandwich, just not real thick slices. Like, turn that off. Some mayo. A little more mayo on this side. Let me slice up a tomato. I don't know what way that went. All right. There it is. Fried bologna sandwich on ciabatta bread or ciabatta bun. Pretty standard fare. Oh, I forgot my cheese. Hold on. Yep. Sliced American cheese. Throw it right in there. And these always drip and they're really, really messy. But here we go. It's excellent. If you never had a fried bologna sandwich, if you like bologna, a lot of people don't like bologna. I love bologna. Like I love hot dogs. Try it. But you can make a fried ham sandwich, fried roast beef sandwich. All, once again, it's endless what you could do with simple things. But if you never had a fried bologna sandwich, it's worth giving it a go.